solving systems in 3 variables. So to be able to solve for 3 variables, then you need 3 equations. So this is the example I'm doing here. So we have 3 variables, x, y, and z. And to be able to solve that, we have 3 equations here. So this is how it goes. So we will try to eliminate one of the variables using 2 equations. Okay, and then you can pick any 2 equations to eliminate one. Then you need to pick another 2 to eliminate the very same variable, so that you end up with 2 equations with 2 unknowns. Okay, so you may pick to eliminate x or y or z, doesn't matter. But first, you will eliminate one of them and go from there. Let's say I want to eliminate variable x. Okay, so you can pick again equation 1 and 2, or equation 1 and 3, or equation 2 and 3. You have 3 possibilities. So I'm going to pick 1 and 2, equation 1 and 2, and I'm going to eliminate x. So to eliminate x, as you see, I need to have the same constant in front of them, same coefficient. So this x has 9, and that one has 3. So I need to make them the same. So therefore, I'm going to multiply the first equation by 3. Okay, so that gives me 3 times 3x, 9x, 3 times 4y, 12y, 3 times 8z, 24z, 3 times 5 is 15. So I'm going to keep the second equation as it is. After you do that, if they have the same sign, you can subtract to get rid of it. If one of them is positive and the other one is negative, you can add them to get rid of it. So in this case, they have the same sign. So I'm going to subtract 2 from 1. Okay, so 9x minus 9x, 0. 12y minus negative 5y gives you 17y. 24z minus 6z gives you 18z. 15 minus 2 gives you 13. So as you see now, I have an equation with 2 unknowns only. Okay, I came up with this. So that's a new equation, right? So we have equation 1, 2, and 3. This is the new equation. So I will also number it. Now this is equation number 4. So I need to get another equation with very same variables, so that I can solve it. Okay, so I already used 1 and 2. Now I can use 1 and 3 or 2 and 3. Okay, it doesn't matter again which one you do. So I'm going to pick now 1 and 3 and eliminate x again, because I eliminated x in the first one. So I have to eliminate x again. So I'm going to pick 1 and 3. But let's check the coefficients. So this one has 15. That one has 3. I need to make them the same. So I can multiply first equation by 5 then. Okay, so 5 times equation number 1 gives me 15x. 5 times 4y, 20y. 5 times 8z, 40z. 5 times 5, 25. And I'm using now number 3. 15x plus 2y minus 4z equals 5. Okay, so let's subtract, because again they have the same sign. Addition is not helping me. If I subtract, I can eliminate variable x. Okay, so 15x minus 15x, 0. 20y minus 2y, 18y. 40z minus negative 4z, positive 44z. 25 minus 5 gives you 20. So I created now another equation, right? So this is something new. So I'm going to call it number 5. Equation number 5. But if you see something that you can reduce, you have to do it right away. Otherwise, you will have to deal with bigger numbers. In this case, I see that 18, 44, and 20 all are divisible by 2. So I'm going to divide everything by 2. So 9y, 22z, and that gives me 10. So that is equation number 5 still. Now I'm going to use number 4 and number 5. And you know what to do here. Again, you learned this in grade 10. Okay. You use substitution or elimination. I certainly do not recommend to use substitution here because you will end up with fractions if you do that. And then, and most probably you will make a mistake when you're solving it. So do not do substitution, only elimination. So now we want to eliminate y or z here, okay? Well, they are not really nice numbers. I'll try to eliminate y in this case, okay? So in this case, then I need to multiply equation number 4 by 9 and equation number 5 by 17. Okay, so I will use calculator now. So 17 times 9. 153. 153. So I'm doing 9 times equation number 4. So 153y. So 9 times 18. 9 times 18, 162. 162z. 13 times 9, 117. So I'm multiplying equation number 5 by 17. So 17 times 9, we already got 153. So 22 times 17, 374z. 10 times 17, 170. Again, we are trying to eliminate y. So they have the same sign, we subtract. 153y minus 153y gives you 0. 162z minus 374z. Okay, so negative 212z. 117 minus 170 minus 53. So z equals, right? So you get negative 53 over negative 212. If you simplify that, you get 1 over 4. After you get one of the answers, one of the solutions, then you know, you're just going to keep substituting to get other ones. But first use the equation with 2 variables to solve for the other. You don't go back and sub in here. If you sub in z here, okay, you can't solve for x or y. Again, you end up with 2 variables. Okay, so I'm going to use 4 or 5. Again, it doesn't matter which one you use. I'm going to use number 4. 17y plus 18 times 1 over 4 equals 13. 17y plus 9 over 2 equals 13. 17y equals 13 minus 9 over 2. Actually, you can multiply everything by 2 to get rid of that fraction. That would be also a, you know, a good idea. So let's do that one in this case. Okay, so you can multiply everything by 2. That will eliminate the fraction. So 34y equals 26, yeah. I forgot to 9 there, yeah. That was okay. So 34y plus 9. So 34y. So move the 9 to the right side. That will give you 17. So y equals 17 over 34, which is 1 over 2. Now you have y, you have z, then use equation 1, 2, or 3 to solve for x. Okay, let's use equation number 1. So 3x plus 4y plus 8z equals 5. So 3x plus 2 plus 2 equals 5. 3x, so 4, move it to the other side. Negative 4, 1. So x equals 1 over 3.